Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create social media campaigns in Buffer in 2026. If you want to organize multiple posts for a product launch, promotion, event, or marketing campaign, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you've already connected the social media accounts you want to use for your campaign. Next, spend a few minutes planning your campaign. Decide what your goal is, whether it's promoting a product, increasing website traffic, announcing an event, or growing your audience. Having a clear goal will help you create more effective content. Now click the Create Post button and start writing your first campaign post. Add your caption, include relevant hashtags, upload images or videos, and attach any links you want your audience to visit. Next, choose the social media platforms where you want the post to appear. You can publish the same content across multiple accounts or customize each post for different platforms. Now click Schedule Post instead of publishing immediately. Select the date and time you want the post to go live. Continue creating additional posts for your campaign and schedule them over several days or weeks. Next, open the calendar view to review your publishing schedule. Make sure your posts are spaced evenly and cover different aspects of your campaign without overwhelming your audience. Now monitor your campaign after the posts are published by checking Buffer Analytics. Review engagement, clicks, shares, and other performance metrics to see which posts are delivering the best results. Finally, adjust your future campaign content based on those insights to improve your overall social media strategy and reach more people. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create social media campaigns in Buffer step by step. You can now plan, schedule, and manage your marketing campaigns more efficiently from one convenient dashboard. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.